Deeper thinking on red blood cell values. White blood cells play different roles in the immune response, from immediate defense to long-term immunity. How do the differences in function between granulocytes, such as neutrophils, and agranulocytes, such as lymphocytes, help the body respond to infections in both the short term and long term? Granulocytes, like neutrophils, are the first responders to infection, quickly moving to the site and using phagocytosis to neutralize pathogens. Their role is short term, focusing on immediate defense. In contrast, agranulocytes, such as lymphocytes, contribute to long term immunity. B cells produce antibodies for specific pathogens, while T cells help identify and destroy infected cells. Lymphocytes also create memory cells, ensuring faster responses to future infections. Together, these cells provide both immediate protection and long lasting immunity.